office kitchen, which is soon to be the kitchen of the Stout Coffee House here in Chehalis, Washington. We share the same building. So check us out on Instagram for the Stout Coffee House. Today I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate truffles with pumpkin butter and pumpkin pie seasoning. So it's definitely the fall season. This will be a great treat for you all. Okay, so the first step is to measure out 75 grams of the goat milk cream flakes. The best way to do this is to get a kitchen scale, put your empty bowl on it and tear it out, and then pour the flakes in until you get the 75 grams. And then we have to blend it in the blender, so I'm putting in the blender here. And this will leave about a 40% fat ratio. So for the next step, we need 4 ounces of the goat milk cream that we've already whipped up, and we're gonna combine that here with the 8 ounces of the chocolate and put it in a double boiler. So the thing with the double boiler is you fill a pan about, I think some say 1/3 to, I fill it about halfway full with water and then boil it. And then you're just gonna mix it in and stir until it's all melted evenly together. Okay, so now we're going to do the tastiest part, actually flavoring the chocolate. So we use pumpkin butter from Trader Joe's for this recipe. It's really smooth and creamy. It's got a lot of good pumpkin pie seasoning flavor in there. And so originally we were just going to start out with about 2 tablespoons of pumpkin butter and see how it went. We actually ended up in the long run finding out that 3 to 4, well, we did 4 tablespoons was the best flavor. So start with 3 and then go up to 4 if you want, or just go 4 tablespoons even, which would be a fourth a cup of pumpkin butter. And then you're gonna mix it in really smoothly. The nice thing about the pumpkin butter was that, as you saw, the chocolate kind of seized up and got kind of thick and gritty. I think I started to overcook it, but when we mixed in the pumpkin butter, it really helped to smooth it out. So then we also added pumpkin pie seasoning and some cinnamon to give it a little extra spice, and then vanilla extract to kind of smooth all the flavors together. So we used a half teaspoon initially and ended up adding a teeny bit more. So I would say half teaspoon to a teaspoon vanilla extract. You can go by preference, but it might just be easiest to add a teaspoon off the bat if you'd like. And then you mix, 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 and this baby is going to be ready to go in the fridge here. Um, and then you'll refrigerate it for 2 hours. So now we're gonna start forming the truffles. So for this, you could use like a melon baller, probably a number of things, a little cookie scoop, tinier one. I ended up using a half tablespoon metal spoon. I thought that was about bite size, about the size I wanted. You could do like a tablespoon and make it bigger, and then it's more like a 2 bite truffle. So it depends what you would prefer. But these are nice small truffles. It takes a while to scoop them all out. I use a little tool as you see to finish getting everything out there.